Want to program a new key fob for your 2015-2016 GMC Yukon without a trip to the dealership? It's possible, and here's how. First, make sure you have a compatible key fob, GM part number 1350411 or similar, and a working key. This process syncs the fob's transponder with your Yukon's body control module, BCM, allowing access and ignition. Keep in mind that while DIY programming is generally reliable, always have a backup plan and be aware of potential issues like BCM faults. Enter your Yukon with all keys and a working fob. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this 3 times within 10 seconds. The security light should flash. On the 4th turn to on, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 15 seconds until the security light turns off, indicating learn mode. Repeat the button press for each additional fob you want to program, up to 8 total. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, and test the fobs by locking and unlocking the vehicle remotely. If the security light stays on, it signals a fault. An OBD2 scanner can help diagnose BCM errors. Work quickly, as timeouts are 30 to 60 seconds.